myself Arashana from class 5th. Today I am present here to show you some experiments that proves air occupies space. So as you know, matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Air is also matter because it occupies space and has mass. So today I am going to show you two experiments. So let's start. So for our first experiment, we need a bowl filled with water and an empty glass. So now I am dipping this glass into the water slowly and tilt it a little bit. We can see bubbles coming out of the glass. How is it even possible? We saw that the glass was empty. I am telling you guys. So, the glass that we were thinking was empty was in fact filled with air. When the water gets in the glass, and the air gets out of the glass in the form of bubbles. So this experiment proves that air occupies space. So let's move on to our next experiment. For our second experiment, we need a balloon. I am blowing it up. As you can see, it became a little bigger than its usual size. Now I am blowing it again. As you can see, it became a lot bigger than its usual size. So when we blow this balloon again and again, it becomes bigger and bigger. So this experiment also proves that air occupies space and can be weighed. Thank you.